Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azrin Natasharina binti Zulkifli. My metric number 293115. I am going to present UX techniques in design cycle for a case study exam portal design. Let's start with the introduction of the case study. The digital product in this case study is an online exam system portal that were designed for examiners to manage and conduct exams for students at educational institutions. This project was developed over 8 months during an internship with responsibilities including research design and facilitation of design sprints. The primary users of the application are examiners, typically the subject matter experts in educational institutions in Singapore. The goal was to create a platform where examiners can create and conduct exams, manage question banks, and organize exam papers. There is a few UX techniques that I identify in this case study. The first one is user research. User research was conducted through multiple sessions with the product owner and the stakeholders to gather detailed requirements about the exam creation process. This involved understanding the type of exams and questions expected, the categorization and grouping of questions, the specific needs of examiners for creating and conducting exams. Second, the prototyping. The prototypes were developed to visualize the potential solutions and gather feedback from the stakeholders before actual development. This helped in testing ideas quickly with relevant stakeholders, refining requirements based on the prototype feedback. The third is design sprints. Design sprints were used to address the complexity of the system and to test prototypes with the stakeholders before development. This includes initial design sprints to create a prioritized product backlog, regular design sprints every 2 weeks to review and refine design based on the feedback. The last one is scenarios. User scenarios were created to understand and illustrate how different users will interact with the system. This scenario helped in identifying the key functionalities required for the different user roles, ensuring that the design addressed the specific needs and workflow of each user type. Each UX techniques that were used have strength and weakness. For user research, the strength is comprehensive understanding of user needs and requirements and informed design decisions with real-world insights. However, the weakness is time-consuming process and potential for biased information if stakeholders' input is not diverse enough. For me, user research was crucial given the complexity of the exam system. It ensured that the final product aligned with the specific needs of the examiners and educational institutions. For the prototyping, the strength is early visualization of ideas, facilitates feedback and iterative improvement, and reduce risk by validating concepts before development. However, the weakness can be resource intensive and potential mismatch between the prototype fidelity and the final product capabilities. For me, prototyping was highly appropriate as it allowed for the testing of complex workflows and user interaction in the exam system. For design sprints, the strength is encourage collaboration and quick decision making, aligned with agile methodologies to deliver incremental progress. However, the weakness can lead to burnout if not managed properly and require strict time management and focus. For me, design sprints were highly effective for managing the project's complexity and ensuring continuous stakeholder engagement. For user scenarios, the strength helps in understanding user goals and workflow and provide a narrative that can be used to validate design decisions. However, the weakness can be oversimplify complex interaction and may not cover all possible edge cases. And for me, user scenarios were highly appropriate for this project as they help in visualizing and planning the interaction for different types of users. The alternative UX techniques that I can suggest is user persona. The purpose is to create a deeper understanding of the target users, leading to more user-centered design decisions. For implementation, designer can develop a detailed personas for super admins, subject matter experts, and exam paper admins based on user research data, and use these personas to guide design decisions, ensuring the needs and behaviors of different user groups are considered. For conclusion, The UX techniques employed in the design cycle of the online exam system portal were well suited to the project's needs. User research provided a solid foundation of understanding user requirements, while prototyping facilitated early testing and refinement of ideas. User scenarios ensure that the design address the specific needs of different user types, and design sprints enable rapid iteration and adaptation. However, alternative techniques like user personas could have offered additional insight and improvements. That's all from me. Thank you.